Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a fundraising plan with GoFundMe, beginner guide step by step clearly. To create a fundraising plan with GoFundMe, start by clearly defining your fundraising goal. Decide how much money you need to raise and for what purpose. This will help you determine your strategy and communicate your needs effectively. Next, research similar campaigns on GoFundMe to gain insights into successful fundraising strategies. Take note of their campaign descriptions, videos, and images, as these elements can inspire your own approach. Then, sign up for a GoFundMe account if you haven't already. Choose Start a New Campaign from your dashboard. Fill in the required details, such as your campaign title, fundraising goal, and the reason for your fundraising. Be specific and heartfelt in your description to connect with potential donors. Add engaging visuals, like photos or videos, to illustrate your story and enhance emotional appeal. Next, set a reasonable deadline for your fundraising campaign to create a sense of urgency. Promote your campaign on social media to reach a wider audience. Share your campaign link with family, friends, and community members to boost visibility. Consider writing personal emails to key contacts to ask for support directly. Regularly update your campaign page with new information or progress to keep your supporters engaged. As donations come in, express gratitude to your contributors, showing them the impact of their support. Monitor your campaign's progress towards your goal and adjust your strategies as needed. If you're falling short, consider running a small event or contest to drive more donations. Finally, once your campaign is complete, be sure to send updates to your donors on how the funds are being used. This helps maintain relationships and encourages support for any future campaigns. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an effective fundraising plan using GoFundMe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.